If you like this video, please press the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also give it a thumbs up. Safely viewing the eclipse requires eye protection. The problem is not anything special about the eclipse itself. The problem is that every part of the sun is just as intense as it is at any other time, so you need eye protection. To look at the sun indirectly, you need to use one of several types of projectors. See the link in the description for a video dealing with that. Here's an example of a typical pair of eclipse glasses. The most common ones are inexpensive pairs that you can buy at most stores or online. They are made of cardboard and are designed to be disposed of. One thing you need to do before buying any pair of eclipse glasses is checking to see if they are ISO approved for direct viewing of the sun. Here's a good example of what the sun should look like through a good pair of eclipse glasses. Here you are looking at a pair of eclipse glasses as they come when you buy them from a store. You will note that there are places to fold them. To get them ready for use, you fold them where they are creased, and this gets them set up for wearing. Once you have your eclipse glasses folded, you can then wear them like any other pair of glasses, though you may not want to walk around with them on for obvious reasons. One additional thing you can do is to cut up a pair of eclipse glasses. You can then tape it to your cell phone or another camera as a filter. You can then tape it to your cell phone or another camera as a filter. This opens up the possibility of directly photographing parts of the eclipse. However, be careful because if you lose the filter, you could damage your camera.